It is party central at Constitution Dock tonight as sailors roll off yachts and into the nearest pub to toast completion of the Sydney-Hobart Yacht Race. Celebrations that are well deserved. At this stage, less than 60% of the starting fleet will make it. The best of them, the Super Maxi Blackjack.
This is what it takes to win the Sydney-Hobart. Blackjack entering Storm Bay last night, unrelenting effort in the face of a 25-knot southerly, then the agonising haul up the Derwent. Boat speed cut to 6 knots, but this is the reward. At 1:37 this morning, backslapping and handshakes all round, the cheers of the dockside crowd, and the sweet taste of victory. The slowest time in 17 years, 2 days, 12 hours, 37 minutes. Every second hard fought.
Yeah, it was tough in the beginning. The first 30 hours was pretty rugged, and then it lightened out. But yeah, great to get the win.
Confident from the get-go.
Pretty much after the start gun went, we had a pretty good feeling.
A first win for Blackjack's owner Peter Harburg.
It was a fantastic effort. These guys have just sailed so well.
Skipper Mark Bradford seasick for the first 20 hours.
Oh, I just did internal problems. Mostly my stomach was coming out of my mouth.
Law Connect finished second, less than 3 hours behind. Scallywag only 15 minutes further back in third place.
It's a good boat race, though.
But no joyride.
I don't think I've ever done a race where we haven't had a spinnaker on. Like, it was upwind the whole way. So, yeah, pretty tough.
And over the coming days, Constitution Dock is just going to keep filling up. Behind these 3 Super Maxis, 49 other boats. And while that number might sound like a lot, it really isn't, considering 88 boats started this 1,200-kilometre race on Sunday. As of this morning, 37 yachts had retired with damage to sails, hulls, rigging, equipment and broken bones. Some crews here in Hobart will have little respite, turning around today to make New Year's Eve in Sydney. But first things first.
As soon as I finish talking to you, I'm having a beer.
And Tom Hartley joins us live from Hobart. Tom, good evening to you. Not over yet. There's still a few out there. How's the handicap competition?
Well, Michael, the action hasn't stopped this afternoon. You've got a couple of these mid-sized boats that have come in the past hour. There's Ichi right beside Celestial. They finished about 15 minutes apart from each other, just waiting for the results of their rapid COVID tests at the moment. But all eyes are on Ichi right now for a couple of reasons. I'll tell you why. Firstly, they're flying a protest flag. Now, the skipper won't tell us what that's about just yet, so watch that space, he says. Secondly, they're chasing another overall title, the Tattersall Cup. That would be their third if they pull this off, and why that's so huge, that hasn't happened for 57 years, Michael. So that would be a huge feat, especially among the yachting fraternity. Regardless, plenty to celebrate for them this afternoon. They'll be surely heading to the pub, joining the crews from Stefan and Whisper, another 2 of those bigger boats that got in this afternoon. 44 boats still out in the water, slogging it out, coming through the Bass Strait down Tassie's east coast. A couple more about to turn into the Derwent. So, Michael, the action just has been non-stop, and it's sure to continue tonight.
Indeed. All right, on the dock there in Hobart, Tom Hartley, thank you.